This is الدرس العشرون of كتاب أدوات الربط. This is lesson 20 of the connectors. And lesson 20 is a review lesson, which means that you will review the connectors from lessons 16 through 19. And so here we have drill 1, and you're going to use connectors from those 4 lessons. In this lesson, you're going to choose the correct one to complete the meaning. I'm going to go over some of the Arabic with you so that you can focus on the connectors. Number 1, أخاف عليه blank يموت بعد إجراء العملية. I fear for him blank, he dies after undergoing the operation. Number 2, كان الجمهور يظن blank تركت التمثيل. The audience was thinking blank, I left acting. 3, أريد blank أدرس أدوات الربط جيدا. I want blank study the connectors well. Number 4, 4 blank ينتهي من خطابه blank صفق له الحاضرون. Blank, he finishes his address blank, the attendees clapped for him. 5 قبلت دعوتي للعشاء ولكنها blank حتى اعتذرت. So she accepted my invitation for dinner, however blank before she excused herself. Number 6, blank على زواجهما سنة blank انفصلا, blank their marriage a year before they separated. 7, number 7, يجب على الإنسان blank ييأس من الحياة. The human being must not blank despair of life, from life. Number 8, قالوا لنا blank الاجتماع قد تأجل يومين. They said to us blank the meeting has been postponed for 2 days. 9, يجب blank تهتم بدروسك. You blank you must consider, or you must consider important your lessons. Number 10, blank بدأ الفيلم blank إن أنصت كل الأطفال. Blank he started the film blank he quieted the children, all of the children. Number 11, يبدو blank المسألة أكبر من ذلك بكثير. It seems blank the issue is much bigger than that. Number 12, حصل على شهادة blank عاد إلى بلده. He obtained a degree blank he returned to his country. So now that you have some of the words behind the now that you have some of the words that provide context, you should be able to figure out which connectors fit into each context. مع السلامة.